This is the final holiday tutorial of 2023. Prime your eyelids. I'm just using concealer. Today I did a soft frosty blue look. I used a shimmery baby blue all over the lid and crease. I used a white to soften the edges and to brighten the brow bone. Just to add depth, I added a cool blue to the very outer corner. Adding more of the lid shade to keep it bright. Now repeat on the other eyelid. This look was super easy. If you try it out, let me know. I also add glitter to the look later on. It was a good decision. Using a hydrating primer today. Cold weather is so drying. Mixing concealers. I ended up getting out too much, so I skipped actual foundation today. Since I used so much concealer, I blended all the edges out with a thin layer of this glowy filter. It's like a BB cream, but glowy. It's lighter in coverage, but it looks really nice. Setting everything with a thin layer of powder and dusting it on, then sweeping away the extra. Framing the lash line and highlighting the inner corner. Adding depth. This highlight shines blue in the light, lightly bronzing the perimeter of my forehead and cheekbones. Layering on a soft pink blush, bringing it up and adding it to the nose for the cold look. This KVD highlight palette is so cool. The shade I used today has a blue shift in the light. There's also a pink, a green, and a purple. I so rarely use it because the blue shade came shattered. I don't want to drop and ruin it completely. Melting everything together. Using a skin tone liner to keep the look bright. Adding just brow gel. Tinting your brows is a game changer. Combing the mascara on in thin coats so they don't clump together. A soft nude to pull the look together. I decided glitter was needed. It's sparkly and so is snow. I want this look to have an icy, snowy look to it. Cheekbones too, because it's fun and pretty. Thank you for a great year on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe.